What's up YouTube, and welcome back again on my channel. This time I want to show you and give you some tips for Arnold render in Cinema 4D for the AD production spot commercial for in this case for the car. So okay, here I have some screenshot of my work. Okay, let's go to Cinema 4D and just open the file. If you don't have any car or any model, in the description I give you, as always, the link to download the file project of this tutorial. Okay, so just start. Okay, very good. Okay, so in this case, was my commercial spot. I do here some screenshot, some poster. Okay, I have created a simple bridge and simple highway. There is different cameras. Okay. So first thing we need to do is try to create an environment. So here I have different kind of HDR file. So first tip, if you want a realistic result, I suggest you to download or buy online different pack of HDRI file, or if you have a camera you can made by yourself an HDR file. Okay, so just set this one. Okay, so I have uploaded my image. Okay, and I have increased the intensity to 1.1. okay, and I have checked all these parameters here, and here in this section here, okay, we can increase the sample of our HDR file. So just press play on the IPR. Okay, I can zoom in a little bit more. Okay, and for now, oops, sorry. Okay. Okay. And this is what we have now. Okay. And it looks very good. Okay, I can scale a little bit up and here. Come on. Okay. Nice. A nice and clear render. So as you can see, the illumination is good, and if we take a look in this little attribute here, I want to explain something. So for example, here you have different parameters, so just try to uncheck all this one. Okay, and just press play. I'm sorry if it's a little bit slow, but the scene is very big. Okay, as you can see here, we have a little bit dark scene. We don't have much light, and it's not enough bright. So this parameter here allow to see the HDR file in this parameter here. So in this case here is visible on the refraction, okay, and we can see a little difference, okay. It's more bright here. With this checked, we can see more light, okay. This is for the glossy and this is for the refraction, okay. Okay, and here again we have the intensity. Don't increase too much this one, okay, because here we have too much exposure, so just go back a little bit, okay. And this was the right illumination if you want to use an HDR file. So if you want to use the physical sky, okay, okay, here I have an example. Sorry, this one. Okay. In this case here, I'm still using the Arnold physical sky, and I think it's a little bit more complex to use, but the result is a little bit more realistic. How to use the right way the physical sky. So, sorry, I need to, okay. With this parameter here, this one, okay, you change the visible of the sky. So to be more correctly, in this case, you have more sunny day or more cloudy day. So if this one I took to 0, okay, it's a little bit more brighter. If you increase this parameter here, it's more cast and cloud, okay. Another parameter you need to change if you want is this one, the elevation and the azimuth. So, okay, as you can see here, no, okay, just back to, oh, sorry, 83. Oh shit. Okay, very good. And again, even here you can increase the samples if you want more realistic result, okay. And this was the environment, and now just um, just go to build the shader, okay. First thing here I have the car paint, okay. Just copy this value here, this one after the most important value, okay, for the diffuse 0.3, and for the SSS 0.3. Make sure to copy the same value color if you want right color. This because if I change here, for example, okay, as you can see, the SSS changed the color of the whole car, the entire car. So if you want a right color, or if you want entire color, make sure to have the same color. And I can also create different kind of color. Okay, I can go here in the network. In this case, I have created. Okay, this one I can make by myself. Okay. Okay. And this one I can put in the color. Okay, I can increase the number of the color here. I change the color maybe to, okay, this one, okay, in this way, and I change the direction of the color. Okay, and as you can see here, we have ramp color for the car. Okay, maybe okay, I need to change the color. Okay, but I prefer the poor color. Okay, now go to the, holy shit, this one. Okay, okay, and this is the okay, this is the parameter if you want to make the brake, okay, of the car. Okay, we didn't see more here, but okay, so the diffuse color go to black, the width 0.2. Okay, this is the color of the specular. Okay, and this is the parameter of the refraction, and okay, and this is for the glass. Okay, oh, yes, this is for the glass, and oh yes, and this is for the wheel. Okay, for the tire here. So I can show you a parameter here better in this way. Okay, you can copy this value here, and oh yeah, another important thing is if you want illuminate, if you want to get more right illumination, I have created an IBL rope, is a mid-base lighting rope. It's very simple, they are only two spheres, okay, with an HDRI file. So if we increase, in this case here, I have uploaded an HDR file in the emission color, and I have turned off every parameter here. So if I increase this one enough, as you can see here, we have too much exposure. This because this image-based lighting, they are point the light to the car. So let's turn off, yes, and this is the result if I turn off the EBL for 1 second. Okay, one time you have created this material here, we can create the AOV pass, and it's very simple to use. So go to the render settings here, go to AOVs, set up AOV, and just take a look for 1 second what we need to do now. So in this case now I didn't have a depth map, so I don't need this one. The diffuse color, yes, even the direct diffuse, okay. If I want the direct specular, okay, direct SSS, okay, indirect diffuse, indirect specular, yes, okay, reflection, refraction, and maybe the emission, okay. And now here we can see all pass, okay. Why I didn't see the emission? Oh yeah, this because here, okay, I have made Arnold tag, okay. If I put this one, okay, we can see the emission. Here we can see the refraction, the headlight, okay, and the reflection, okay, indirect SSS of the car, indirect specular, okay, indirect diffuse, very good, direct SSS, and the direct specular, no, the diffuse color, no, this because we didn't have upload any map, and this is the direct diffuse. So now if we go here in the preference, okay, we can change the kind of driver, okay. So we can change which kind of AUV pass and format we want. I usually use the AXR file, this because it merges everything, and after in Nuke I can rebuild everything, or you can use the driver JPEG or PNG, and then you only need to set up the output where you want to save this one, okay. After we have created the pass, okay, but this time I show you the final beauty in the post-production, okay. I go to After Effects, okay, and this was made with an HDR file, not with the physical sky, and this is the difference. As you can see, this one is a little bit more realistic than the second one. Okay, so here this is the beauty, okay, this is the final beauty, and it doesn't look so bad, but we need to work enough. So first thing, I created a new layer in After Effects here, and this we can rename this one lens FX. Okay, we can change the color to black. Okay, and change the mode to add. Okay, and now go here, and I can create a new mask layer. Okay, inside the headlight. Okay, once you have done, go to Effects, Video Copilot. If you have click here, you can download the plugin on the Video Copilot page. It's free, so click to save it. Okay, no, and in this case we need to change the mode to layer mask. So customize color, and here layer mask. Okay, and now we need to change a little bit more the color. Okay, and the intensity. Okay, okay, but you can also apply different kind of effects. So in this case, okay, sorry, in this case, okay, and I have created a new layer with the motion blur, okay, for our scene. Okay, as you can see here, for the wheel and for the road. Okay, and I have applied a little bit, I have changed the color here for the bottom grid here. It's because it doesn't looks enough realistic. Okay, and I add a simple lens flare to the car if we want, and I have created a simple sun for this shot here. Instead, for this shot here, oh, sorry, okay, the thing is a little bit more complex. Okay, this is the final shot. Okay, I have created a simple studios with the an HDR file and two lights. Okay, so I can show you here. Okay, I can go back to the Moon Studio. Okay, 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 this is the result. Okay, and if you want here, you can add different kinds of light studios on the roof, okay, but it's not my case. To create this simple light roof, you can also create a simple cube, and you can increase the size and create a standard material with the emission activated and disable the other channel. And okay, this is the studios with the HDR5, and this is the car. Okay. Okay. Okay, I go back to After Effects. Okay, and okay, just open the work. So if you don't have enough time to if you don't, we usually create the AUV pass, this because it's more correct to use, and you can apply enough, you can modify anytime you want the file. But if you don't have any time, you can also work on the beauty, but it's not the right way. Okay, so in this case here again, I created a simple mask light. Okay, and I changed the mode to overlay, this because if I put this one to normal or to add, okay, this is what I have. So overlay, and duplicate the layer. Okay, and you should have these effects here. Okay, so if you want, you can increase the mask. Okay, no, and here we have different and funny game of light. Okay, for example here, but it's not what I want, so I can delete this one. Okay, and again here I add a simple light, again mask animation. Okay, and this one, bring this one to the add mode. Okay, you can duplicate the layer, sorry, and I have correct here the glossy piece, in this case here, this because it's not funny see this piece here in the dark, so create a new solid layer and use the pen tool to mask everything you think is not enough good. Okay, and here, this is the one, the last shot was very simple. This is a simple studio with two HDRI file and three EBL. Okay, free sphere with an HDRI file as material in the emission channel, and this is the result. And for the headlight, I have animated the light here, as you can see. Okay. And here. Okay. As you can see here, I have animated the headlight, and I have created a simple mask. If the first one is a optical flare, and even the second one, okay, with some blur, okay, and okay, I said everything I want to say, so I hope this little tutorial was helpful for you, and if you have any questions or any doubt, uh, please feel free to write me, and if you have any kind of request for your tutorial, uh, please write me. You can follow me on Instagram, or you can write me on YouTube, and okay, okay, thanks for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.